If you don't see anything interesting lately, it's because we're in a big fat heat wave. All I'm doing is grilling meat outside on the propane grill. That's all, nothing new. Too hot to be in this kitchen. Look at this kitty. She just thinks that she is alluring me over so that I can scratch her tummy and her itchy armpits. The itchiest armpits in the world. She gets a little playful if I go down here by her tummy. Then she will get a little playful and kick. Well, do you want a pet or not? It just makes her a little playful when I touch her tummy. This bird feeder, it holds a lot. And I made this using 3 items from the dollar store. This was I found this in the art department, and I actually got the idea for this on Robbie and Gary Gardening Easy channel. This was $1. This bowl was $1. And this chain was also $1. And then you can put you could probably put like 3 pounds of seed in here if you wanted to. But I have to ration them because they will eat a lot of seed. I'm just trying to replace the seed that maybe would be in my yard if a person didn't live here and it was back to nature. I feel like I'm just replacing something that nature would have provided anyway. And then these are bamboo sticks. I think these also came from the dollar store, but you can use a little branch or just anything that you happen to have. But they love it, and then because it's under my grape arbor, it's sheltered. No hawk can come and swoop down on them. So, and now let's count how many birdies can be here. Okay, first the birdie can go up there and land. Well, lots of birdies could. And then a birdie can be here, and one here, and here, and here. And then they can jump down into this bowl right here. And then one birdie can be on this side, and one birdie can be on this side, and they also can land over here, so they can take turns unless they're not sharing. You are so silly. You are so silly. Look at this big ant. Look at him. They're gonna store up probably foxtail seeds. What do you want? They're storing up for the winter. Tracking in a bunch of footprints going in and out of this patio door, doing my grilling.